Hello dear students, this is Durgesh Sirsagar and today we are going to learn a very important topic, that is fable. You have learned so many stories from your grandpa, from your granny in your childhood, and these stories were based on tigers, the stories were based on lions, the stories were based on tortoise and so many animals. These stories tells us moral at the end, and this fable is nothing but the same type of stories which are the part of literature. Actually, these fables are nothing but the short story with morals. At the end of there is something which we have to get, that is what we call lesson. This story can be in the form of animal. The stories characters can be trees. The stories characters can be what we call the ghost, and so on. And it is a part of what we call the literature. As you can see on the screen, this is the story. I know, I bet that everyone has gone through this story, ससा and कासव. ओके, तो बचपन में हमने बहुत बार ये स्टोरीज अपने टीचर से, अपने माता पिता से, अपने ग्रैंडपा से सीखी है, सुनी है. नेक्स्ट वन यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन द स्टोरी ऑफ लॉयन अँड रॅट. उंदीर आणि सिंहाची गोष्ट. सिंह हा जाळ्यामध्ये अटकतो. पहिल्यांदा होतं काय की सिंहाजवळ उंदीर येतो. उंदीर त्याच्याबरोबर खेळू लागतो. सिंह झोपलेला असतो आणि सिंह त्याला म्हणतो की सिंहाची झोप उडते. तो त्याला पकडतो, तुला खाऊन टाकीन म्हणतो. नंतर उंदीर त्याला म्हणतो की मला एकदा सोड, एकदा जर सोडलास तर मी पुढे कधीतरी तुझ्या कामात येईन. सिंह हसतो की तू कसला माझ्या कामात येणार. And then what happens in the next incident when lion is alone in a jungle? What happens with lion? सिंह हा जाळ्यामध्ये अटकतो and that time rat comes and saved that particular lion. So this is the story, and what is the moral? की लहानातला लहान प्राणी हा जो आहे आपल्या कामामध्ये येऊ शकतो, कुणालाही लहान समजू नये. सो दिस इज द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, अँड such type of stories can be called fable, which we have to study in literature. Friends, you have read the stories of in Panchatantra. You have read the stories in Birbal and Akbar, Tenali Raman. Such type of stories can be called, are the example of what we call the fable. Now see, again there is one picture. Here you can see a crow is there, and there is a pot. Crow is coming with a pebble, and he is trying to insert that pebble inside the pot so that the level of the water will come up and that crow will be able to drink that water. So here we get some hint, we get some lessons, and these lessons are very important in your life. And it is said that each and every child should learn such type of stories, should listen such type of stories in the childhood. What is fable actually? In literary sense, what is fable? A fable is a literary genre, a fictional story. It could be in prose, it could be in verse format. This story actually can be in a prose format, as we know there is a story of tortoise and hare, there is a story of lion and mouse, there is a story of crow and pebble. This all these stories are in prose form, but there can be stories in verse format also, as Chimni and Chimna, okay, as Sasa, okay, in Marathi. So such stories are in verse format also. They are in poetry format. Such type of stories, plots and characters are very simple. ये ऐसी जो स्टोरीज होती है, इनके प्लॉट जो होते हैं, प्लॉट यानी कथानक, कैरेक्टर्स जो होते हैं वो वेरी सिंपल होते हैं. कैरेक्टर्स आर mainly animal, sometime legendary creature, sometime plant, sometime inanimate objects, sometime forces of nature, sometime gods, sometime devil and so on. So ये जो स्टोरीज होती है फिबल, उनके कैरेक्टर्स जो है वो प्राणी हो सकते हैं, पौधे हो सकते हैं, घर हो सकते हैं, लेजेंडरी क्रिएचर, मतलब समझो फॉर एग्जांपल गांधी जी के बारे में भी एक आध ऐसे फिबल बना सकते हैं, या फिर गॉड भी हो सकते हैं, राम, रावण, एंड ऑल दैट कैन बी द पार्ट ऑफ द कैरेक्टर ऑफ सच टाइप ऑफ स्टोरीज. एंड एट द एंड there will be moral. Don't forget moral of the story. It illustrates or leads to particular moral lesson. As I already told you, ये जो स्टोरीज होती है ये एक्चुअली में छोटी होती है, शॉर्ट होती है, बट एट द एंड देयर इज मोरल, एट द एंड देयर इज लेसन, व्हाट वी कॉल इन मराठी तात्पर्य. ओके, तो एट द एंड ऑलवेज देयर विल बी मोरल दैट इज फॉर द लेसन. As far as figure of speech is concerned, so mainly personification is used in such type of stories. Why personification? Personification is a figure of speech where the non-living things are given the quality of human being. Say for example, animal cannot speak, but in such type of stories it is shows that animals are speaking. In such type of stories it is shown that plants are speaking with each other, creatures are speaking with each other, the great persons who are already dead, they are talking with each other. God and devil are there and they are speaking, they are discussing with each another. So such type of things have been shown in such type of stories. That is why personification, figure of speech, is used. Let us see another part of this story. As far as such stories are concerned, such stories are passed down from generation to generation. It means that ऐसी जो स्टोरीज होती है वो हमारे दादा परदादा जो है उनके जमाने से चलती आ रही है. It means that my grandfather tells the story to me, I tell the same story to my grandson or granddaughter, and such stories are passes from one generation to another generation, and they are called fable. In Marathi there is a suitable word for fable, that is dantakatha. In Marathi we call that dantakatha. Okay, so there are some of the examples like Aesop fables. There are so many stories are in Aesop fables. There are so many stories in Panchatantra. We everyone know what is meant by Panchatantra. So Panchatantra stories are very famous among Indian children. Jatak Kathas are there. So many Arabian Nights is a very fantastic book for such type of fable. As I already told you, Sasa and Kasav in Marathi, Siंह आणि उंदीर, that is story in Marathi. कावळा आणि त्याला लागलेली तहान आणि ते मडकं आणि त्याच्यामध्ये तो टाकलेले दगड आणि मग पाण्याची वर येणारी लेवल. So such type of stories are part of literature, are part of fable. I hope you are getting. Friends, there is a difference between fable and folk tales. Fable means dantakatha. Why it is called Danta Katha? Because such type of stories were in oral form actually. First of all, they were in oral form. Then after, some person tried to write them. Some person tried to brought them in the form of written, in the form of print media. So what is the difference between fables and folk tales? So फीबल भी व्हाट यू कॉल दंत कथाएं है, फोक टेल्स भी लोक कथाएं है. सो फीबल में क्या होता है, एनिमल्स कैरेक्टर होते हैं, ट्रीज कैरेक्टर होते हैं, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कैरेक्टर होते हैं, गॉड, डेविल्स, ये सब कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. पर्सनिफिकेशन सबसे ज़्यादा यूज होता है. तो ये जो एनिमल्स कैरेक्टर होते हैं फीबल्स में, फोकटेल्स में कॉमन पीपल भी कैरेक्टर्स हो सकते हैं. दिस इज द स्लाइट डिफरेंस इन बिटवीन फीबल एंड फोकटेल. दैट इज, in fable there are animals, in folktale there are common people or animal. Okay, as far as figure of speech is concerned, in fable personification is used, in folktale exaggeration is so many used in such type of tales. Okay, actually both are tales. This is also tell and this is also a tell, but here in fable personification is more used, and here in folktale exaggeration is used. And these fables are very short. Their length is very small, maybe a page or 2 pages, not more than that, because as we know these children do not get that much concentration on the stories, and they cannot read one story for 100 pages. They cannot read a novel. They like short stories. They like the small tales, and that is why fable's length is small. As far as folk tale is concerned, it is based on it has the set of 3 events. अगर हम बात करें फीबल की भी और फोकटेल की भी, तो फीबल के अंत में जो है वो मॉरल रहता है, एक लेसन रहता है, मतलब सीखने वाली बात रहती है. मराठी में अगर कहे तो तात्पर्य रहता है, तात्पर्य असतो मराठीमध्ये. इफ यू कॉल अबाउट फोकटेल्स, अगर फोकटेल्स की अगर बात करें तो हमेशा हैप्पी एंडिंग होती है. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल, राजा था, रानी थी, उनकी एक बेटी थी, उसे राजकुमार मिल गया, उनकी शादी हो गई, एंड हैप्पी एंडिंग इज देयर. ओके, so always folktale has happy ending, but fable has always moral or lesson. So this is a slight difference. This is the comparison in between fable and folktale. If we talk about fable in very short way, अगर हम summary करें तो जैसे कि आप स्क्रीन में देख सकते हैं, ससा एंड कासा, लॉयन एंड माउस एंड crow and some people. These are the stories, these are some of the examples of fable. So it is a literary genre. It is very short. मतलब दिमाग में रखने वाली बातें ये है कि it is very short. नंबर 1, it is fictional story. ये हमेशा काल्पनिक चीज़ों पर ही आधारित रहेगी. It could be prose और verse. ये प्रोज भी हो सकता है, वर्स भी हो सकता है, मतलब लेसन भी हो सकता है, या फिर कविता भी हो सकती है. प्लॉट्स आर वेरी सिंपल. ये इसकी जो कथा है वो बहुत ही सिंपल होती है. कैरेक्टर्स आर एनिमल, लेजेंडरी क्रिएटर्स, प्लांट्स. तो कैरेक्टर जो है इस कथा में रहने वाले वो प्राणी हो सकते हैं, पेड़ हो सकते हैं, ओके, गॉड हो सकते हैं, डेविल हो सकते हैं, सच टाइप ऑफ. मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि ये माउस कंप्यूटर से बात करे, ये भी हो सकता है कि ये पर्टिकुलर जो हेडफोन है ये चार्जर से बात करे. सो इट कुड बी हैपन. Okay, it is actually fictional story, imaginary story, and personification is used. Why personification used? As I already told you, अगर ये चार्जर और पेन दोनों आपस में बात करते हैं तो बात करने की क्वालिटी ह्यूमन बीइंग की है, and this human quality is given to non-living thing, that is called personification. Okay, are you getting me? So in Marathi we call चेतना गुणोक्ति अलंकार. This is personification. And if suppose there is a story, अगर मैं ये माउस की और रिमोट की दोनों की अगर स्टोरी बताता हूँ, the mouse tells something to computer and computer listens it, remote tells something to TV and TV listens it. सो ये दोनों की अगर मैं स्टोरी बताता हूँ तो इट कुड बी कॉल्ड फीबल, और क्या पता 10-15 सालों में, 50 सालों में लोग ये माउस और रिमोट और कंप्यूटर और टीवी की मेरी स्टोरी अपने ग्रैंडसन और ग्रैंड डॉटर को बताए, हु नोज. सो such type of stories can be developed. Such type of stories are mainly developed, and children like such stories most. So friends, this is about fable. I hope you got it. If you have any question, any query regarding this, you can ask me in a comment box, or you can ask in our WhatsApp group. Thank you very much.